What's up, YouTube? Today is Armageddon, and I have the ISR tension rods, tow rods, rear traction arms, camber rods. I also have some Tein outer ends and the tie rods and the boots, and that's what we're going with today. Alright, to get all these arms done in the rear, you have a hammer, a 19, a 17, a 19-inch ratchet, two grips. You could use a plumbing wrench, anything like that. These are for tightening the arms. Needle nose pliers. This is for taking the bushings out of the tow arm and putting the right 14 ones on, and then a tape measure, and that's all you need. First things first, you need to jack up the car. I like to put the wheel under the first jack just for a little more safety, and that leaves us exposed to the rear upper link, camber, and tow. Once you get the arm at the length you want, then all you got to do is slide it right back on. Camber arm, you do the same thing. Probably gonna have to hit this one here. This might work. So on this one it's 19 and 19. On this one it's 17 and 19. And that's the camber arm. Once you finish measuring it out, you slide the camber arm in and just reinstall it. and this one should be 2/19. Now for the last arm in the rear, which is the toe. There we go. This one here. Their arm, other bolt is 17. We need to break it loose. So what's happening is right there, you can see that bolt going across is hitting this drive shaft. Let's see if we can get that out. On the body side of the cambered arm and the toe arm, you have a bolt like this that has this cut in it. You see it right there. And you have a washer, you see it's keyed, and that will slide right down on it like that, and then it won't turn because it locks it in. Don't forget that. The ISR tow rods that come with it, the end of the bushings are like this, and you can see there's way too much play. What you need to do is switch out the ends with the ones supplied in the bag that come with it, and it will be like this, a little bit wider, and fit right up in there. You'll notice over here, the ones that come in it are these, and these are probably for the S14, and it comes in a bag of 4 of these right here. And all you do is grab a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers, grab the end, make sure you're not hitting the grommet, and pull it out, and then stick the new one right in, and then it'll fit right in there. The bolt holding the tow rod comes really close to hitting the axle boot, so you got to just kind of wiggle it in there until it fits. There we go. And don't forget your keyed washer. That's where it just slides up in there, and then slides on.